Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage the likes received. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. What we need to do is simply go to Profile. The button's right here, simply click on it. Then this will open up. Well, right here is your profile. And at the top right, there are these two buttons, Settings and Edit Profile. Click on the Settings button right here. Once you're in the Settings page, lots of options will be available to you, like basic info, notifications and everything. Let's simply go to Privacy. Once you're in the Privacy settings, these things will open up like Show Location, Allow Public Search and everything. Right here, you'll see something like Show Me only to people I like and visit. Let's toggle on this button right here. And guys, there you go. Once you toggle on this button, your profile will be viewed to only the people you like and visit. And guys, that's it. That's how you manage likes received on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.